In aerospace forging, AS9100D is not treated as a paperwork standard. It is a risk filter that tells buyers whether a forging supplier can repeatedly deliver structurally critical parts over long program life cycles. Auditors know that aerospace volumes may be inconsistent, designs may change, and some parts may not repeat for years. They evaluate system behavior, not just certificate possession. The first shop floor check is forging process control. Look for controlled process sheets, validated forging routes, defined reduction logic, preform selection, and grain flow orientation linked to the load path. Controlled variation is treated as a systemic risk. Second check is material traceability. Material, heat numbers, MTCs, forging batches, heat treatment records, machining lots, and inspection reports must connect without ambiguity. A missing linkage can trigger major nonconformance. Third check is special process discipline. Treatment and NDT are audited harder because their results cannot be fully verified after completion. Calibration, uniformity surveys, operator qualification, training records, NDT procedures, and calibration logs must all be current. Also review NCR and CAPA behavior. We want root causes fixed, not just closed on paper. In aerospace forging, compliance is proven through repeatable execution, controlled traceability, validated processes, and daily audit readiness. Critical buyers prefer suppliers that connect engineering, material control, special processes, machining, inspection, and documentation inside one accountable system. The stronger the control, the lower the qualification risk.